In this video, I'm going to be upgrading the standard headlights on this Chevy Colorado to LEDs. This should be the same from 2015 to 2022. Should work for a GMC Canyon as well. Now the factory headlights aren't very bright, and brighter LEDs makes safer driving at night. I'm going to be upgrading to these LED Terminator bulbs. So if you want these, I'll put a link in the description down below how to get them off Amazon. So let's go ahead and get started. Start on the driver's side because that's a little bit easier. You can see your window wiper reservoir right there, and then just to the left, this first one right here is going to be the high beam, and then this dust cover right here is going to be the low beam. Is the dust cover, so we're going to go ahead and turn that to the left or counterclockwise to remove it. All you do is lift up that little tab to pull the wire off, rotate that to the left, pull straight out. At your bulb, you'll notice those 3 tabs on there. Those line up with slots in the housing. So you're just going to push in, rotate down. Then just take the wire, get that kind of lined up, and then just squeeze it together. We're going to reinstall the dust covers, push it in, and then rotate it to the right. Give it a little tug and make sure it's locked into place. Now we need to replace the high beam on the passenger side. And you'll see this hose is retained with these zip tie retainers here and here. We're just going to have to pull those straight off. And then we have a couple of these push fasteners along here. We need to pop those up, pull those out, and then this whole plastic inside cover is going to come off. Just fold this back and out of the way. And then there is one more in the front that's kind of hidden right here. Go ahead and pop that one out. All right, so now that you have those pop rivets out of the way, I have this just kind of pulled back. And then I don't remove this whole piece. I just have this zip tied out of the way. If you have a bungee cord, you can wrap it through here as well. And I just zip tied it right there. So I just have it pulled back and out of my way. And now I can get my hand in here and work. Go ahead and remove this dust cover. All you do is like a quarter turn and just pull that straight off. The same style connector, it's kind of like a V connector. All you do is just lift that black tab off and then just give it a little tug straight down to disconnect the connector. And then we're going to rotate it. Just pull straight out. When you insert the new bulb, this connector is about at the 5 o'clock position. And then you just push straight in, rotate it until this is straight up and down. Take your connector, get it lined up, and then don't just push straight up, I squeeze it together. And you'll see it click into place. Dust cover has a GM logo on it. It's going to install at about the same, like 5 o'clock position, and then you'll push straight in and rotate it. Give it a little tug, and that's locked in place. Now since we replaced the brights, which are going to be on the inside, you can really tell a big difference between the LED and the standard bulb that these come with. It's loose. Start pushing the covers back into place. And then push in all your pop rivets. And that's all there is to it, guys. With these new LED lights, you'll be able to see farther and wider when you're driving at night, which is going to make for safer driving. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.